In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve authentication issues with the Uber driver app. Sometimes technical hiccups can prevent you from accessing the app and starting your driving sessions. Don't worry, I've got you covered with a thorough step-by-step approach to help you get back on the road swiftly. The first step we'll discuss is restarting your phone. This might seem simple, but giving your device a fresh start can resolve temporary glitches related to your phone's system or network connections. Once you've restarted, try logging back into your Uber driver app. Next up, we have the importance of ensuring your Uber driver app is up to date. An outdated version of the app might not work correctly with Uber's authentication servers, which could lead to login issues. Head over to your app store and check if there's an update available for the Uber driver app, and if there is, go ahead and install it. Now let's focus on your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for the Uber driver app to function properly. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network, or if you're using mobile data, that you have a strong signal. Sometimes switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can also solve connectivity issues. Moving on, check the app permissions on your phone. Head into your device's settings and ensure that the Uber app has all the necessary permissions it requires to operate smoothly. This often includes access to your location, contacts, and storage, among others. Also consider checking for operating system updates. An outdated operating system can sometimes cause compatibility issues with apps. Navigate to your phone's settings and look for any pending updates for your operating system and install them if available. If you continue to experience issues, consider trying one of our alternative login methods. You can try logging into your Uber account on a different device, whether it's another phone or a computer, to check if the issue is specific to your device. Alternatively, you could use the web version by visiting the Uber website on a computer and attempting to log in there. If you're using an Android device and find that none of these steps work, clearing the app's cache and data might do the trick. Go into your device's settings, find the Uber driver app, and clear its cache and data. This can often help resolve persistent app problems. For iOS users, you may want to try offloading the app. This process removes the app from your device, while keeping your data intact, making it easy to reinstall and refresh the application. Finally, if after trying all these steps the problem still persists, consider creating a new user profile on your device. Sometimes this can help resolve software conflicts that lead to login issues. And if all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Uber support. You might need to provide them with a screenshot of the error message you are encountering to assist them in diagnosing the problem more effectively. That's it for today's guide on resolving Uber driver app authentication issues. We hope this helps you get back on track smoothly. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.